Complete the sentence using a suitable phrase 1. Structure: subject plus verb plus to plus adjective plus to plus verb plus object. Sentence 1. A woman wanted to have a chat with the writer. The writer was too young to ellipsis. Answer: 1. The writer was too young to say no to a woman. 2. The writer was too young to say no to a stranger. 3. The writer was too young to refuse a stranger. 4. The writer was too young to understand her intentions. 5. The writer was too young to have a proper conversation with her. 6. The writer was too young to speak confidently with a woman. 7. The writer was too young to refuse our request. 9. The writer was too young to explain his thoughts clearly. 10. The writer was too young to answer her questions properly. 11. The writer was too young to make an important decision. Structure: past part, subject plus verb plus infinitive phrase plus prepositional phrase. A woman, subject, wanted verb to have a chat, infinitive phrase, with the writer, prepositional phrase. Second part, subject plus verb plus to plus adjective plus to plus verb plus prepositional phrase. The writer, subject, was verb, too young, adjective phrase, to say no, infinitive, to a woman, prepositional phrase.